Do this. Why am I doing this? Alright, let's get back to it. So, gonna swap out some sparks. Oh, that's the back. AC Delco R45s. I guess it's right. What the hell do I know? Oh, this looks like it's easy to get in here and get them out. Well, I didn't even get a wrench or anything on it, and it's just loosening right up. Let's see it. I'm dying. The suspense is killing me. What the hell, man? I can't get it from down there either. I don't even know where it is anymore. It's like up here. Look at all this stuff, man. What the hell? Why do I do this? Why am I doing this? Is it the headers? There's this. Jesus. I'm all done. I'm done. I'm basically all done with this. I'm just gonna have like six new spark plugs. Yeah, that's not happening. This isn't happening. Alright, so I'm gonna try to put this stupid thing back together. Now I have these gaskets. Oh, they're just all out of whack. So I guess this is it. Maybe get a little grease. Okay, I have everything back together, so I think a few things I'm not really sure about. I don't know what that is. I'm thinking maybe smog. I don't know. See what happens. But we'll put some fuel in. I already throw in a little more of this. See what happens.